Yep, we're going organic with Monster in Your Head. Make sure you like, subscribe, and...
Oh, that's right. Share. Like, subscribe, and share.
The chair.
Yes, I'm from the band NuRitual. This is Kurt with the movie Monster in Your Head.
And we're at Radd Studios, making it shine.
Radd Studios?
Radd Sound, baby, where you get it all.
How do you get a hold of Radd Studios?
You call us up, 818-802-8818, a man with all the eights. Radd Sound, make it happen.
Monster in Your Head.
This week now.
Let's do it.
I'll get it.
Just give it to me. Just give me, it's fine. Just go. Come on.
Cool. Got a lot to work with.
You hit that. One time you hit that drum, it sounds like a stab.
Freeway.
You hit some really nice, some spots in there.
Oh, yeah. Richard Haitz from NuRitual with the EBO. Hey guys, this is Richard Haitz from NuRitual, and I'm at Radd Studios in Northridge, California, and I'm doing guitar and effects and all kinds of soundtrack work for the movie Monster in Your Head by Kurt Mason. So come and check out NuRitual online, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.